Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about, the ACC More Long Sleeve Baby Bibs. If you're a parent or caregiver, you're going to want to stick around because these are the best feeder bibs available in the market. ACC More Long Sleeve Baby Bibs are designed to make mealtime a breeze for parents and keep your little one clean and comfortable. Let's dive into the details. These bibs come in a pack of 4, and they are suitable for babies aged 6 to 24 months. Here are some fantastic features that make them stand out. Made from premium waterproof polyester fiber with an EVA waterproof layer, these bibs are completely waterproof. They're also lead-free, PVC-free, BPA-free, phthalate-free, and vinyl-free, ensuring your baby's safety. The bibs have a smooth design on the neckline, ensuring your baby's comfort without feeling tight. They feature a secure Velcro closure on the back and elastic cuffs to prevent food from seeping into clothes. The large pocket on these bibs can catch a lot of dropped food, crumbs, and spills, reducing the need for frequent laundry. It's also a handy storage space for snacks and small objects while your baby plays. The material used is lightweight and comfortable, making it easy for your baby to wear. Plus, they are easy to wipe clean, allowing for repeated use. ACC More offers these bibs in adorable patterns that babies and toddlers will love. ACC More Long Sleeve Baby Bibs are available in different sizes and colors, ensuring you find the perfect fit for your little one. And here's the best part. You can get these bibs at a fantastic price. Currently, there's a Black Friday deal with a 51% discount, so you can grab them for just $9.31. In summary, if you're looking for the best feeder bibs that are waterproof, comfortable, easy to clean, and stylish, look no further than the ACC More Long Sleeve Baby Bibs. With their incredible features and affordability, they are a must-have for any parent or caregiver. Don't miss out on this Black Friday deal. That's it for today's review of the ACC More Long Sleeve Baby Bibs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Product Critique, for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.